Hello there. The last time we left the Grandstreeters, they were at Yankee Candle enjoying a day trip. Today we're going to look at part two of that trip. We're going to look at the Christmas store, holiday decorations, and maybe even we'll see Santa. So come on and join us. Okay, so now we're going to go into the Christmas shop area. Sharon's favorite part of the store. So they've got all sorts of what do you call it? Department 56?
Yes.
Is that, yeah, Department 56 models and trees and toys. And in November, December, this becomes a really big area because they have Santa out here, his workshop, and people like to come and visit that. Sometimes I think he's here year-round at various times.
Yeah, he is.
Too.
Keep up. This usually stays around the same.
This is really pretty.
Yeah.
Look, the Hogwarts Express.
Yeah.
Is that Malfoy sitting there?
Yeah, right.
Addams Family.
Yep.
Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Jack Skellington. Sally. This would be the Grinch Village. Halloween villages are very popular these days. I know our son puts one up. Here's the Dickens Village. This is my favorite type, the old Victorian English village. Right down to the carriage. Then we get into the German Bavarian area. Don't forget the one advertising Yankee Candle Company. New English Village. Now, what do you suppose we have here? Hidden Mickey and Feliz Navidad from south of the border. Now we come into Snowflake Factory area. Supposedly it snows around here, but it doesn't look like they've been doing this for a while because I don't see any flakes on the floor. Usually if the snow machine's on, you see some flakes on the floor. They got this nice little antique bench sitting here. You can sit down, take a break, take a rest. Actually, pretty comfortable.
Yeah, not bad.
Good. And they got trains. There, it's snowing. On through the Snowflake Factory building and into the ornament room. We should pick up an advent calendar while we're here. What you got there?
Little stocking with a teddy bear. Glittery. Like you like.
Yeah, that's pretty. I like those shiny ones.
Something different.
It is. trying to find an on switch for this, but I can't seem to get it to work. And all sorts of Christmas puzzles here too. Look at that.
Yep.
I like this one a lot. $16.99. Kind of old-fashioned, you know? Of course, when I say old-fashioned, I'm talking about old-fashioned in my era, like in the 1960s, 50s. That's a nice tree topper.
It is.
Be a little tall for our
It was
room.
too
Oh,
tall for us.
yeah.
But it's pretty, and it's old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned as in we're old-fashioned now? It's not old-fashioned, it's retro. That's what it is. I like these. Like something I might find in my grandma's attic. Oh, I think we have this one down here, this Christmas tree. I think we have that one. I like this section here with all the little guitar ornaments. I think we got one here once before. Not too interested in having another guitar hang on the tree.
Now, one is a good representation. I've been feeling this. We should take a look
Yep, we should.
so that we don't wait until the day before. It needs to get started this year.
Need to keep Cousin Eddie out of this room. So just a little bit of wayfinding here. There are many different exits and entrances throughout the different rooms of the building. Like for example here, we're halfway through the Christmas section, and here in the Christmas tree room you can actually exit to the side into the snack bar area. Just in case you get hungry, I guess. Smells really good. You can smell the bakery wafting into this room here. Okay. Now we're entering into the Bavarian Village. Or maybe we were in the Bavarian Village. Now we're entering into the castle. I love the water.
Yeah.
A gold Christmas tree. Wow. This must be the throne room. Did you say this is the throne? Oh, look at that. Cuckoo clock. Or grandfather's clock, I guess. That's pretty cool. Wonder how much that is.
Too much.
We always find the stuff that's too much, don't we?
Always.
Oh yeah, there's some thrones. This is my friend here, Lancelot. Serves me faithfully. That is one huge nutcracker. Okay, moving on into Santa's workshop. Color forms. I remember using color forms. Always got a set of color forms when I was homesick. It would keep me in bed. How much is this? Let's see here. Is it, yeah, no price. Don't see it. Now, you like horses, but horseback riding and all that.
Yes.
Did you ever get one of these when you were a kid?
No.
That is one big balsa wood airplane.
Seems to happen to the reindeer guy. It's all through the night, house to house. Quick as a wink, quiet as a mouse. Lightning speed and crazy speed. They cover the world of Christmas Eve. Just a few seconds and he stopped. Got with some toys and they got a run. Though the night's short and the trip is long, they get it done till the reindeer song.
Let's do that again.
Let's do it again.
Santa's already making presents for next year. That one requires a number 9 bow. What are they thinking? Only 298 days, 10 hours, 3 minutes, and 1.4 seconds till next Christmas. Now, only 298 days, 10 hours, 30 minutes, and 50 seconds. I could do this all day. Look at all the Legos. My grandkids would love this. Look at this barn. This is really cool. I like this.
No way! Toy Story!
Santa just reminded me to check out the cupola on the Lego barn here. There he is. talking to some of the kids. As you leave Santa's toy shop, you come into the plush area. All these stuffed animals and candy. Lots of candy. And there's a Build-A-Bear shop here too. I think we did a Build-A-Bear here once. Long time ago. They were much younger then. More candy. More candy. Forget filling a jar with wax. I want to fill one with candy. More candy. I can't eat candy. Right in the center of the building is a snack bar where you can get fudge, ice cream. They have Ben and Jerry's, bakery stuff, all sorts of good food. They also have a little animatronic show that goes off right here, but it's not operating right now. Hey, it's every half hour or something they show up. Did you see things to hang in the yard? Flags, little designs. You know those twirly things like we got at Disney World though, huh? Oh, they do have them here. Look at that. Give it a twirl. Give it a spin. See what it does in the light. We love those. Lots of lawn and garden stuff in here too. Gazing globes. It's hard to find those these days. Now we know where to come. Dig that orange, man. That's bright. Hidden Mickey, maybe? Maybe? I like to do this, but only when Sharon's not around. She gets annoyed at me when I ring the chimes. Oh, you are around. You're right behind me. I didn't know you were right behind me.
They're all really pretty.
They are. How much is this? Well, the shells here are like 39 bucks. That's more than I would expect to pay.
They're pretty to look at.
There's some big ones. I'm going to put one of these big ones in our backyard to annoy the neighbors.
That big one behind you that you just rang is $225. So I don't want to annoy my neighbors that much.
The last section of the store is the Yankee Candle home section. All sorts of home decor things, blankets, pillows, clothing, cookware. It's a huge section of the store. Of course, one of the last sections that we are going to go into is the kitchen section. Also one of my favorites. They will at times, not today, but at times they will do demonstrations here of various dishes that you can try out after they do them. Unfortunately, they're not doing them today. More sauces and vinegar and teriyaki sauce and all sorts of other things to buy here. So that's going to wrap it up for our trip here to Yankee Candle. Hope you enjoyed it. We certainly enjoyed coming here. It was nice to do it. You got a few things. You were able to buy bowl, candle, and advent calendar.
Yep.
You enjoyed what?
Making my own candle.
Making your own candle.
For the first time.
It was something different that we hadn't done before. So come on down here. You'll enjoy it. Also, if you'd like to press the like button on our video and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Shows us that you care. And while you're at it, click the notification bell so you know when we upload everything, which is usually on Sunday mornings, late Saturday night, Sunday mornings. So until next time, we'll see you on the streets.